I'm really happy with the bike, the way it's come together, what Nigel's done. He's really nailed it. Nigel has worked on some of my bikes in the past, and obviously being like the motorsport fan that he is, he has a really good understanding of what I need. We've put 2 4-piston calipers on the rear brake, and that's because we use the rear brake a lot. So it's not so much for power as much as it is for brake fade.
I love to get on the bike and, you know, as Lukey's getting geared up, I'll jump on and take it down the road and see whether everything's working and kind of just get a feel for all those modifications that I've done because...
Yeah, he rode it before me.
That's one of the exciting things for me. I love building things and then using them. Like it's the whole package for me. That's the payoff for building something.
I love it. I've ridden motorbikes my whole entire life. And stunt riding is a really... it's been a way of me expressing myself. I think it's just something that I've been drawn to my whole life. It started with just doing wheelies, and then it became more about what I could do and how far I could take it. The performing side of it is what really gives me a big thrill though.
I guess like when you're actually riding a bike, it's not really about the bike, it's just about what it can do and what you can do with it and the understanding that you have for it. And when it comes to fabricating, I understand what Lukey needs to do with the bike, and I understand how strong the bike needs to be, and I understand that he doesn't have time in shows to be able to, you know, repair anything.
So the rear, this one.
I'm throttle happy, and I'm just having a ball. Yeah, and then we just remove sort of all the road stuff, the headlights, the tail lights, indicators, get rid of all that stuff so we can get our feet over the front. Modify the seat so we don't fall off the back of it when we've got no hands. You know, fix the pegs in position. Crash cages, obviously for protection. It does happen, we try and minimise falls.
You know, when I do something like this, I want to try and handle the whole lot. You know, it is extra pressure and it's something that not a lot of fabricators take on.
I've ridden the bike a fair bit. I've been putting a lot of time in on the bike. I've already ridden stunt shows on it and I'm really, really happy with it.